Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls, coming to you from the West Coast. Today I wanted to share a couple of cards. This one, if you're an Adam Sandler Big Daddy movie fan, you'll appreciate that. If not, you'll think it's just weird. But this is the card I'm going to make today. It's using the Altenew Arched Foliage die set. But it's kind of, I did this kind of mixed media technique to kind of look like graffiti on a wall or something, which I love how it came out. So, and it's super easy to do. So let me show you how it's made. Okay, so I'm going to start by making the background. I start with a craft card, and I'm going to go ahead and put the lettering on the back first. And you'll see why, because I'm going to run it through an embossing folder, so it's hard to do that once you do it. Now, I want it to look almost spray painted. So I'm going to use the Mega Brush Alphabet stamps, but I want to get kind of like the writing in red, and then kind of around the writing, I want it to look almost white. So here's the way I'm going to do that. I'm going to stamp the love in red first. So we're going to go this way. I'm going to start with L. And I want it to kind of look graffiti-ish, so I'm going to kind of go at an angle, and so we're going to put our L there. But instead of stamping in red, I'm going to stamp with a white pigment ink. The reason I did that is because I want to just kind of smear some white ink around those letters. So I've got a little finger dauber, and I'm just going to kind of go over where the letters are and just kind of make them fat. Now I'm going to stamp with my red ink right over the top of that white, and then once I get them all stamped, I'm going to heat emboss. Clear heat embossing. And you can see it stuck on all the white too, which is good. That's what I wanted. And that's exactly what I want. I clean off my stamps while that's cooling off just a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and emboss this. I've got a 6x6 embossing folder. It's the Altenew Arched Foliage 3D embossing folder. And I want my embossing, let's see, yeah. So I'm going to put it in here. Now it doesn't fit, as you can tell, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it once like this, and then I'll slide it over, and I'll do that last section. Okay. So I get that in there. I'm going to go ahead and run this through. Okay, so there's the first time. And then I'm just going to slide this over and basically do that section like that. And then when it comes out, you can definitely see that line, but it'll be fine. Okay. Now once that's embossed, I'm going to take some brown ink. I'm going to start with cocoa cream. I'm just going to ink over the top, and I'm just going to kind of hit here and there. I don't want it to be all over. I'm just going to kind of make it intentionally splotchy. Then I'm going to take my chocolate hazelnut and I'm literally going to run my ink pad directly onto the paper right over the top. just very softly. I'm not pushing hard, just running it right over the top. I'm going to try and avoid my heat embossing, although it will wipe off. I want it to look like an old wall that's been graffitied on. That's the look that I'm after. I'm going to set that to the side because I want that ink to dry. To create, I'm going to use that same Arched Foliage set to create some foliage to go on the side of my graffitied wall. And I'm just inking the stamp up with sugar kelp. Now I am going to use the stencil set, and I'm going to use some reindeer moss. Well, let me die cut that with the die. Okay, I've just got a cream colored card blank that my graffiti wall is going to go right onto there. And then I'm going to use my Arched Foliage, and I'm just going to kind of wrap around that. But I think I'm going to cut it up there. Let's see. Actually, I'm just going to put that on there, and then I'll trim it before I put it on my card blank. I'm going to put that foliage on there, just kind of wrapped around that word, and then I'll trim the extra off. And we're all done. That's so much fun. Love how that came out. Here's the first one I made. If you're an Adam Sandler Big Daddy movie fan, you'll appreciate that. If you're not, you'll just think it's really weird. But I made it in a very similar way. The only thing is, this is the debossed side instead of the embossed side, so I flipped the embossing folder the other way. And instead of using the die, I just used a finger dauber with some ink to make those letters big, and I decided I actually liked the stamp. Looked a little bit better, although that looks kind of a little more rough and gritty, which I think is perfect for that scene, whereas this one looks a little more polished or whatever, which goes better, I think, with the die cut. And then these people are some dies from Crafter's Companion. I think they're called Family Story or Our Family or something like that. But anyway, really fun. Thanks for watching.